Professor Dr. Kalpesh Wandra, Vice Chancellor of Rashtriya Raksha University, to deliver the welcome address and set the tone for the discussion ahead.
Namaste Bharat. Very good morning to all the distinguished guests, industry leaders, innovators, scholars, and fellow drone enthusiasts. It is both an honor and privilege to welcome you to the Drone Expo and Conference 2025. Here at iconic high-tech exhibition center in a vibrant city of Hyderabad. We are delighted to host you at this premier gathering that brings together some of the world's most brilliant minds and trailblazers at the intersections of the technology, security, and innovation. Today, the marks of the beginning of the exciting 3 days journey of discovery, collaboration, and inspiration and innovation. Our theme for the day one is global security dynamics and defense innovation highlights the critical role of drones and unmanned technologies in shaping both national and international security landscapes. In an era of increasingly the complex challenges and agile cross-border threats, innovations in the aerial and autonomous systems is no longer a luxury. It is an imperative. This is especially true in our highly interconnected world driven by the cutting edge technology and advancement. We are witnessing the transformative era in the technology, and this is the most evident in the integration of UAVs, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, geospatial intelligence into the defense and homeland security domain. As well as we all are aware, the world's grappling with the evolving warfare and ongoing conflict, including Ukraine, Russia, Israel, Palestine, and China versus USA trade war. We hope today's session will shed the light on this development, particularly in the context of global geopolitics and India's dynamic neighborhood. We anticipate the valuable insight on the rapid evolution of drone in the surveillance, tactical operations, logistics, and disaster response, emphasizing their strategic importance in both conventional and the hybrid warfare scenarios. As we explore this theme, let us also use this platform to celebrate the spirit of collaboration between the government bodies and the private sector, between startups and academic institutes, and between industry veterans and emerging innovators, with keynote addresses from the thoughtful leaders, impactful demonstrations, and curated spaces such as Innovation Zone, Startup Zone, Education Zone. This event offers not just knowledge but tangible opportunities to forge the partnership that will shape the future of India and the globe. To build a brighter and more secure tomorrow, we look forward to meaningful discussions on the utility of the drones and their influences on the national security and the development. On behalf of Rashtriya Raksha University and Service International, the organization of this event, I extend my sincere gratitude to our partners, exhibitors, sponsors, and each of you for your presence. Your participation reframes the growing revolution and momentum to drone technologies in strengthening the global and the national security aspect. As we take the flight of this first day of the conference, may we be inspired by curiosity, driven by the collaborations, and united by the shared vision for a safer, smarter, and more connected future. With that, I warmly welcome to the Drone Expo Conference 2025, where innovations take flight. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.